fail.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key, got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, bottle your taste, it's really a bad reception out there, where you heading?
So this is sort of incarnation 45. I have moved this place around so many times, and I originally had just that little shoe rack holding the printer and a couple of just office storage, like office essential storage. But this little desk, it's just like I need something in between the size of this big massive one and this little one. So something that is not quite as shallow as that, because as you can see, there's like not a great deal amount of space on that one, but this one is just massive. And to be honest, this cable management thing at the back here, it's honestly more hassle than it's kind of worth sometimes, I think. So I really like having the desk sideways so that it can face outside and it's not facing a wall. So when it was under here, it was literally facing a wall. And anytime, you know, you've got anyone in here or your kids are here and they speak to you, it's like literally you have to do a full 180 turn to even like talk to them. So I just think that I prefer the desk to be along that way, and that's how I had it a little while ago. And I just moved it around to that wall there because the sun was coming in really brightly here, but it's moved direction now. So I can put the desk back along that way, but I'm just trying to have it so that it's not a complete eyesore and it's not like the focal point of the room. When it's there, it is just always like visible. It's a really big in-your-face eyesore. So I'm just trying to keep it like as discreet and sort of as tucked away as possible, as you possibly can in a very, very open space.
Bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you.
Oh, puppy dog. That was a little puppy dog.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, I can be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try
some oat milk, and I'm just going to top it up with almond milk because that's all I've got cold at the moment. Coconut cream, cherries. I don't know, I've never made this, so cacao nibs for the chocolatey bit. You cannot have this because you've got chocolate. But Mummy will give you your own little special treat. Show the internet how good you are. Good boy. Ready? Spin. Oh. You gotta do the spin. Spin. Sit. Up. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Diddle-loo, 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 diddle-loo.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, miss you. Take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, bottle your taste. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep it.
Still watching through this video.
Gets harder, feeling like I'm missing parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter, bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand, up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic, dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower,
first time since going to Kmart for the first time since I can't even remember the last time I went to Kmart and like looked around. Oh, I think I went really quickly when Freddie got groomed for the day. So he was at the groomers and I went to IKEA and then I stopped in Kmart really quickly. But I don't remember, did I buy anything? Every other time it's just been click and collect. So since Freddie is home with Jake, when I'm gonna have a quick look around Kmart because I've got to get some books that the boys want. Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Ninja Kid, and the soft cover copy of Prisoner of Azkaban. So those 3 books, I need to get some command strips, and other than that, just have a look what there is and see if there's anything like little to pick up for the house, because I haven't been in the longest time. So let's go. I think I got everything that I wanted from Kmart, and I don't think anything that I didn't want, which is good. Oh, I got 2 frames, 2 picture frames, which I didn't intend to go in there for, but I can have a look and see how they look on the bookshelf and then take them back if I don't want them. I'm just kind of switching things up from just all white everything to a little bit of like whitewashed oak look. Not too dark, but that like really whitewashed look, which I don't mind. Let's get home because I am hungry for breakfast. It's 10:30 and I am hungry. Oh shoot, I didn't go to Priceline. Yes, please. Yep, thank you. Thanks. Thank you.
I woke up in the middle of the night.
And then like sure inside.
Na, na, na. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me.
Thank you.
I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na na na. But you showed me how to believe.
Thank
Still
you.
gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all. It is hard to share my thoughts. Ooh, na na na. It's like cutting a wound in a bleeding heart. It gets me. But I know that you need it all. Ooh, na na na. Just give me some time, 'cause I need to know that you're staying.